Would you just look at this beautiful trade? This is absolutely beautiful. Wish I would have called it or something. Oh wait, I did. That's right. Called it on Telegram. Said, hey, look, CAD, CHF is doing this little bouncy thing. What are we gonna do about that? I don't know. Tell you what, I wasn't able to do. I was not able to capitalize on it. The reason why being is very simple. Around this time frame, when this actually hit, I was waiting for price to come up in this area right here. Pause for a little bit. I had an alert set right underneath this area right here, waiting for price to close under, come under it, and it did at 3 o'clock in the morning. What was I doing at 3 o'clock in the morning? I was sleeping, and so I missed this trade, and it rolled over beautifully. What is this trade about? Well, this trade's about the same thing we've been doing for, I don't know, as long as I've been trading. Support and resistance. So we just had resistance here. Price came back into that area, waiting to see if price is going to break through this area or possibly bounce from here. And lo and behold, it did. That's all it is. Just trying to keep things super simple and try not to overcomplicate things and get into the market whenever you can. So continue doing what you're doing. I look forward to